Hey guys, this is Shubham Gurle from shubhamgurle.com, and in today's webinar I am going to share how you can turn your Instagram into money making machine. And before starting today's webinar, let me know in the comments that for what you were using your Instagram till now. Were you using for business purposes, or were you were just using to communicate with your friends, like just to chit chat? Let me know in the comments. To connect, talk with our friends. Yeah, to just explore. Okay, okay. So no one here was using it for business purposes, and today I'm going to teach you how you can use it for business purposes and how you can drive traffic from Instagram to your landing page or any page where you sell your products. And if you have your website, you can drive traffic from your Instagram to your website. Okay, so let me just share my screen. Give me a minute. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Let me just drag this chat here. All right. So let's begin. First is your username. Your username should not be so much long. It should be small and it should be easy to read. It should be your own name. Like people add Mr. Cutie Pie, Mr. Sorry, Mrs. Cutie Pie, Mr. Handsome. Like there are many funny names like that. Yeah, there are many funny names like that we see on Instagram. And it should be simple to read. Like I have kept my own name because I have to create my own personal brand, so I kept my own name. And even if people search Shubham Gurle, my profile appears, so there is no problem. And what's the reason you chose official? Yes, I'll tell you that. Because Shubham Gurle was not available, so I just added their official. There's no particular reason for that, guys. Yeah. Like it was not available. Like if I added some underscores and some number after Gurule, then it was available. But I want to have like simple name which was available, so I just chose to write official at the back of my name. And the reason for that is, if my clients calls me and I had some discussion with that, and if they ask me what is your Instagram username, then it should be simple to say them, and it should be simple to remember to them. Like if I said it's my name only, like Shubham Gurle, search Shubham Gurle, it will be appeared. Then they can go and search. And if I say that it is underscore Shubham Gurle underscore, like any number, then will they search and actually come up on my profile? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, I'm seeing the comment. Let me know in the comments. Okay, no. Yeah, so that's the reason why I chose this name. And yes, so add your own name and don't add too much. Like I said, you don't add too much underscores, that like dot and many numbers like that. Yeah. Now, are you cleared with this section? Your username, how to uh, choose your username? Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's jump into how you can optimize your profile picture properly. And don't add selfies in your profile picture, because if you are selling some product, they and if you own a business, you need to be professional here. Because people see your profile and then judge you. And don't add a pic which is clicked from far away, because if you add a picture which is clicked from far away, people will not recognize your face. It should be visible. On my Instagram profile, you can see, you can just go and see that I have just put my my face is totally visible, because I want to build my own personal brand. So I just act and do things accordingly. All right. So add your own profile picture. Don't add any emojis, or people add many more things like that. So don't do that. And don't add any company logo or anything like that. I have a company, but no. Add your own profile picture. That is because people trust people. People don't trust logos. People want to buy from people. People don't. don't want to buy from companies. So add your own profile picture. Don't add any logos or something like that. Are you cleared with this profile picture section, guys? Let me know in the comments. Are you clear? All right, all right, all right. Now let's jump into bio. Your bio should be what you do. Like I am an Facebook ads and funnel expert. So I mentioned in my bio I am in Facebook ads, and I'll show my bio. I'll show my bio what actually I had done. And what do you teach? If you teach or if you offer something, you can mention that. And even you can mention your mission. Like what is your brand's mission? What is your brand's mission? You can what I'm doing, guys. Yeah. So yeah, you can add your brand's mission because that makes people trust you. And you can also add how you can help them and what are you offering. You need to add all these things in your bio. Consider these things and make your bio attractive. I'll show you my profile so that you can see, or you can just go on Shubham Gurle official and you can search and you can just go through my profile. Okay, so are you okay, so did you understand this, guys? Did you understand? All right, all right, all right. Now let's jump into link section. Now this is the section where you will make money, and from where you will drive traffic to your website or your landing page or something like that. I okay, okay. I'll just get to that. We'll do Q&A at the end, guys. We'll do Q&A at the end. Let me just explain all these things. Then we'll do Q&A at the end. Now this is the money making section. You need to see this. You can add your products links, you can add your courses links, you can add your consultation booking links, you can add your ebook links, you can add checklist links, etc., etc. There are many other links like that. And if you want to add multiple links, then you can use Linktree, which I personally use. You can just go on my Instagram profile, you can just click on that link and see. I'll just show you this tool also. I'll show you guys. I'll show you this tool also. Okay, so are you understand? Okay, I'll show guys. Let me just share the another screen. Are you able to see my screen, guys? Are you able to see my? Okay, all right. So yeah, yeah, I just forgot to mention this SEO part. See, if a person, why the reason why I have added Facebook ads and funnels is if a person search in this search box like FB ads and funnels, like something like that, funnels or Facebook ads or FB ads or something like that, my profile will appear like it will be on third number phone number or something like that, but it will appear because I had added that in my name. And my name is here, people can understand my name, so I don't need to add my name here. So I just added what I do, and I just added Shubham here so that people can understand. Yeah, so I told you about username, and this is the I'll show you this link. Actually, I'll show you this link. Yeah, so this is Linktree, which I was talking about and which I use. And you can add here multiple links. Like if you click on these links, then you will drive to that landing page. I'll just show you one example. Like if you click on one-to-one digital marketing consultation, and you will directly drive into. You can just go. I'll share the link. I'll share the link. You can just go on Google and search Linktree. You will get that, guys. Yeah. So this is the tool. If you want to add more links to your profile. If I don't have any digital products to sell, what should I do? Uh, if you don't have any digital products to sell, what you can do is if you have business WhatsApp, then you can drive traffic there. You can add your WhatsApp link, and if people will click on that link, they'll directly come to the WhatsApp and they can text you, and they can contact you. and then you can further call them and uh, take that lead and sell your products, and you know the further procedure. All right, guys, are you getting guys what I'm saying? Awesome, awesome, guys. All right, so I just told about this, and see my bio, guys. I have just stated I am on a mission to help 10,000 businesses to grow their sales. This is my mission, and if you add mission and people can relate with you and people can relate with your brand, people trust your brand, then I just written working 24 into 7 for becoming a kick ass marketer by 2022. Then I just added one call to action, which is book one-on-one consultation, and just I pointed down so that people click on this link. How did you get link of shubhamgurle.com/ all links? You need to have website for that. You need to have website for that. All right. Are you getting, guys, what I'm saying? Are you getting? Let me just share the mind node again. All right, guys. Now the highlight section. Let's jump into highlight section. Till now, do you understand this? Did you understand this all four sections, guys? Okay. Okay, all right, all right. So let's jump into highlights. Now, in highlights, you can add testimonials of, you can add your customer reviews of your products. You can even add video testimonials. You can take, if it is text testimonials, then you can add you can just add screenshots of that, and you can share the story and many more things like that. Yeah. So, okay, okay, guys. We'll see that at the end. We'll see that in the Q. We'll have the Q&A at the end, guys. We'll have the Q&A in that. Okay, so let's jump into Instagram feed, and you have to create valuable content. Don't just create profile for selling your products. No one will actually buy them, because suppose take a scenario. If you are searching Facebook ads and funnels, you come to my profile, and if you don't see any feed at all, and if I'm not providing any value to you, will you click on my links? Or even if my profile is well optimized, and I have done all the things, I have added testimonials and all the things, if I am not sharing content with you, if I am not providing any value to you, will you buy product from me? Will you book my consultation call, or will you buy my courses? Anything like that, will you? Let me know in the comments. No, no, no. So that's the thing. You need to create valuable content, and share content which is related to your product, so that whenever you share content, you can, in the description you can add, if you want to know more, like you can buy my course, or you can use my product, or something like anything like that. You have multiple ideas for that, guys. Now, awesome, awesome, guys. So did you get? Yeah, we'll have the Q&A. We'll have the Q&A now. Let me just stop the recording. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the end and investing couple of your minutes into this video. If you like this video, comment below what was your biggest takeaway, and also give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification straight away. And also share it with the people, those who want to grow their business using Instagram marketing. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, keep learning.